Ukunyanga, a practice of profound depth and sacredness, is deeply rooted in African spirituality and traditional healing. The South African Nuni word, meaning to treat or to heal, is derived from inyanga, a word with a rich tapestry of interlinked meanings. Inyanga signifies a moon or a lunar month, an herbalist, a diviner, an expert, or skilled professional. The intertwining of intuition and divine feminine energy gives birth to a profound healing technique that uses intuition, creativity, and flow.
Ukunyanga is a cornerstone of holistic well-being within African communities. It blends physical remedies, spiritual alignment, and ancestral wisdom to restore harmony and balance. This ancient practice has been passed down through generations and is vital in addressing individuals' physical, emotional, and spiritual needs. Ukunyanga is an African healing technique that has been around for centuries, and healing methods have passed from generation to generation. Ukunyanga heals at various levels, from cleansing one's energy fields through multiple techniques to healing past and karmic generational trauma through ancestral ceremonies. Ancestral cleansing is one of the critical components of Ukunyanga. Due to the demonizing of African cultures and traditions, ancestral customs and rituals were banned. The ban left a knowledge gap for traditional ancestral cleansing, creating a backlog of healing that attaches to one's energy, creating blockages within their energy field and stagnating their soul's expansion. The ban on the practices led the knowledge keepers to protect the practice by being secretive about this healing practice. This caused a knowledge gap since the information had to be passed down clandestinely through word of mouth and a limited understanding of Ukunyanga. At the heart of Ukunyanga are traditional healers known as izinyanga. These highly respected practitioners serve as intermediaries between the physical and spiritual realms. Izinyanga possess extensive knowledge of indigenous herbs, spiritual rituals, and ancestral communication, enabling them to diagnose and treat various ailments. A deep connection to the ancestors guides their work and is believed to provide wisdom, guidance, and protection. At the heart of Ukunyanga is its emphasis on the interconnectedness of all things. In African cosmology, illness or misfortune is often seen as a sign of imbalance within an individual's body, spirit, or relationships with others and the environment. Izinyanga seek to uncover the root causes of these imbalances rather than simply treat the symptoms. This holistic approach ensures that healing is not just temporary, but comprehensive and sustainable, offering a hopeful path to balance and harmony. The practice of Ukunyanga frequently involves using medicinal herbs and plants carefully harvested from the natural world. These remedies are prepared as teas, ointments, or powders, and tailored to the patient's specific needs. Herbs used in Ukunyanga are valued for their physical properties and imbued with spiritual energy. For this reason, collecting and preparing these remedies is often accompanied by rituals and prayers to honor the spirits of the land and ensure their efficacy. Beyond physical healing, Ukunyanga delves into the depths of spirituality. Rituals and ceremonies are crucial in addressing spiritual ailments, which may manifest as bad luck, persistent illness, or a sense of disconnection. These rituals often involve prayer, offerings, and sacred objects to communicate with ancestors and seek their intervention. By fostering a connection with the ancestral realm, individuals can feel spiritually fulfilled, receiving guidance, protection, and healing energy. Ukunyanga also emphasizes community and the collective well-being of its members. Traditional healers often work closely with families and communities to resolve conflicts, promote harmony, and ensure that the needs of all members are addressed. This communal approach reflects the African philosophy of Ubuntu, which underscores the belief that I am because we are. Ubuntu, a Nguni-Bantu term, encapsulates the idea of interconnectedness and mutual responsibility among all people, emphasizing the importance of community in individual well-being. Ukunyanga remains a vital practice, even as it adapts to contemporary challenges and influences. Many people continue to seek the guidance of izinyanga for issues that Western medicine may not fully address, such as spiritual crises or cultural disconnection. The practice also bridges ancient traditions and modern lifestyles, preserving cultural heritage while offering timeless wisdom for navigating today's complexities. Ultimately, Ukunyanga is a testament to the resilience and richness of African traditions. It embodies a holistic understanding of health transcending the physical body, offering a pathway to harmony, balance, and spiritual fulfillment. By honoring the ancestors' wisdom and embracing the interconnectedness of life, Ukunyanga continues to inspire and heal, connecting individuals to their roots and the greater whole. Clearing ancestral debt, trauma, or karma enables one to heal one's soul and generational lineage. Here are some benefits of healing one's energetic field through practices such as Ukunyanga. This intuitive healing technique heals generational traumas at a deep cellular level, enabling one to claim one's sovereignty as a soul. It ensures that future generations do not encounter ancestral issues such as unresolved traumas or unhealed wounds that block their soul's expansion. These issues, if left unaddressed, can manifest as physical or emotional ailments in future generations, making it crucial to heal them at the root level. Ukugeza izikwana zakaya can be directly translated to the cleansing of the family's sacred bag. This means cleansing the family's healing abilities and ancestral gifts, thus leading them to the path of prosperity and abundance, or the highest path they have chosen for this lifetime. It also strengthens one's intuition and capabilities to connect directly with one's ancestors, allowing one to access the spiritual realm without any intermediaries. It activates clear and precise communication with one's guides, enabling one to be guided to their highest possible timeline and path. It assists one to manifest at a faster pace. Having clear and direct communication, if one practices these divinely protected rituals and traditions, one can manifest the life one desires.